Thinking about using a robo-advisor like StashAway to manage your money? The first question on everyone's mind is always, is it safe? Let's break down the two main aspects of safety, the security of your money and the security of your investments. First, your money. This is where StashAway shines on the security front. They operate under licenses from major financial regulators like the Monetary Authority of Singapore and the Securities Commission Malaysia. This means they are legally required to meet strict financial standards for capital, compliance, and auditing. More importantly, your assets are held in segregated accounts by custodian banks like DBS, Saxo, and Lion Global. This is a crucial layer of protection. It means your money and investments are legally separate from StashAway's company finances. If the company were to go bankrupt, your assets cannot be touched and you would still have full claim to them. Now, for digital security. StashAway uses industry-standard measures, including two-factor authentication for logging in and withdrawal verification, which flags any suspicious transfers for investigation. They also have a secure server infrastructure hosted on Amazon Web Services, with 24/7 monitoring. The second part of the question is the safety of your investment returns. This is a different kind of risk, the one inherent in the market. StashAway is an investment platform, and like all investments, it is not risk-free. Their portfolios invest in financial products like exchange-traded funds, which fluctuate with the market. You can lose money. StashAway addresses this with their proprietary investment strategy, ERAA, which is designed to manage risk based on economic regimes. They offer a range of portfolios with different risk indices, from low risk to aggressive. It's up to you to choose a risk level that matches your comfort and financial goals. For example, a low-risk portfolio is designed to limit potential losses, but generally offers lower potential returns than a high-risk one. So, to sum up, from a regulatory and asset protection standpoint, StashAway has strong measures in place to keep your money safe from operational failure. But always remember, the performance of your investments will rise and fall with the market. Your due diligence is to understand their fees, their investment strategy, and most importantly, your own risk tolerance before you begin.